5 feathery birds. Hi, friends! Let's meet 5 feathery friends. Sparrow, a tiny brown bird that loves to chirp and hop around. Parrot, bright and colorful. This clever bird can even talk. Peacock, the king of feathers with a fan-shaped rainbow tail. Pigeon, soft and gray. They love to fly around the city and parks. Owl, big eyes and a wise face. They see in the dark and hoot at night. Wasn't that fun? Now you know 5 amazing birds keep looking up. You might spot one today. See you next time with more fun and learning.